I thought it'd be fun to vibe code a unit converter with the help of AI. So a tool that can convert different units, but also can convert metric to imperial. I use these kind of tools quite often in my technical calculations. And I'm a mechanical engineer, so I know stuff about pipework and structures, but I'm not a software engineer, so I don't know how to write any code. I'm also not a prompt expert, so I don't know what to tell AI how to do it, or I don't even know what exactly it can do all. Despite this, I've created a pretty cool tool, if I say so myself, and with some really, really basic prompts. So if I can do it, you can do it too. And the great thing about it is it's all free. Let me show you how I did it. Go to aistudio.google.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account and go to build. Here we fill in the prompts, but to save time typing, I already typed it out. So the first prompt I gave it is, can you build me an app that can very easily calculate distances, areas, or volume from metric to imperial? For example, I fill in a measurement in millimeters and can calculate what it is in inches, feet, yards, etc. But also show the rest of the measurements in metric, like kilometers, meters, etc. Run. Now it's writing some code. And it looks already pretty good. You say 5 meters, 5,000 millimeters, 500 centimeters, 5 meters. That's pretty good. I like it, but I also would like to add a speed option to this. So I'll tell AI, I really like it, but can you also add a speed option? So meters per second, miles per hour, or kilometers an hour, etc. Run. And look, it added the speed option. So we'll say 50 kilometers an hour is 31 miles per hour. Yeah, good. I don't really like the gray box in here, so I'll quickly tell AI to change that. So I'll ask AI, I don't really like the gray box where you type in the number. Can you make it clearer, maybe white? Let's see if it comes up with a suggestion. This is again better. I already like it more. It's a bit clearer. I'm pretty happy with it. But I also would like to add volume flow rate to this top section, because I quite often do irrigation calculations as well. So I'll tell AI, can you also add a volume flow rate option, so cubes per hour, liters a second, and liters a minute, etc. Send prompt. And it did it, so let's have a look. 10 liters a second is 36 cube an hour. Yeah, that's right. That all start to look very good. I would just like to add a bit more branding to the app to make it a bit more my own. I think that is fun. To make it more my own, I'll give it this prompt. I really like it, but can you make it more suit my branding guidelines? Here is some of my branding. Keep the modern look you have, because I do like that it's looking modern. Well, and here's some colors that I quite often use in my personal website. Send prompt. Nice, it changed to some of my website colors. Yeah, it looks good. And now we can save the project if we're happy. I'm pretty happy. And once it's saved, we can deploy it over here on this button. I'll tell it technical tools. That is what I created. When you do this for the first time, you have to run through a couple of steps, but that is very doable. You'll definitely can work it out. Then we say deploy app. And now we have a website URL for our app. So I'll click it and we'll see the end result. And there you have it, a website, Unit Converter Pro. And when we say volume, 20 cubic meters, it's 20,000 liters. Here the imperial side, gallons, barrels, oil. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So there you have it. I created a functional app without knowing how to code. I just let AI do its thing. If you want these prompts, you can click on the link below and that will lead to my website where you can just copy and paste the prompts. So yeah, have a go.